piano. Welcome to the YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe with boom 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 and watch all our videos.
Guys, we're at Bird Kingdom at Niagara Falls. Come walk and follow us and have some fun. Let's go. And watch to the end. Let's go to the end of the movie. You want to watch the videos? Yeah. Let's go. Check it out. Baby ducky. What is yellow?
Let's go see the parrot.
Guys, look at all the birds about you. What just flew around to me? There's so many birds and types of colors.
What is that bird?
Look at these birds. This one's so big. And these ones are so small. Oh, it's a baby bird. Baby. God, it's scary. Let's go check her out. Oh, there's a parrot up there. Let's keep going.
Let's go.
Guys, look, that bird is inside of that.
That's a big bird.
Look at that bird, guys. Whoa. That's what just flew. Is there another one? There's not another one. Guys, look at this one. Guys, look at that scary bird. Look at the bird, it's so scary. Oh, I see the scary bird you're talking about. It has orange eyes. Guys, look at this bird. Look at it. Look at it. It's like this. Guys, did you see that? A bird just went like this. And it went over there. I want to find it. Let's go. Guys, look at the view.
Let's see more birds.
On the back, it's Niagara Falls.
Let's keep coming to find more stuff. Oh, look at that blue bird up there. This one is also inside the house. It is baby parrot. Alice. Huh? It's there. Mama. Yes, let's keep going. Gosh, this one's I was about to bring you outside of my dish thing. Look at that parrot up there. Let's go. Let's keep going to find more stuff. Guys, these are flying squirrels. Look at the flying squirrels here. Where is the flying squirrel? I don't see them. I know this. I don't say. Maybe. Guys, look at this. These are many frogs. Look how many there are. There's a blue one, a green one. There's so many of them. Guys, I Guys, look at all of them. Oh, that one's so big. Are these poisonous? Guys, look at this one. It's a big pool.
ਮੈਨੂੰ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਉਹ frog ਹੈ? Is it a frog? These are small frogs. I think so. Let me see. What is it?
Guys, look at that one up there. It's climbing the tree branch. Look at these. Look at this thing. It's over there. It is gray and white. What is it?
What is it?
It's just looking still.
Frog mouth.
From the boat.
दिखाना है पर देखते नहीं जा रहे हो
Guys, look at this. A Brazilian red breathing tarantula. Where is it? Oh, it's right here. The breathing red tarantula. It's fire! Look at it. Ball python. Guys, this is a ball python. Ball python. A ball python. Where is it? Where is it? Very big. It's supposed to be big. Where is it? Axolotls. Where's the axolotl? Axolotl. 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 Look, this is a pink axolotl. This is an axolotl. This is a trick about axolotls. Every time a predator cuts off their head, the axolotl's head will grow back. Come on. The fire-bellied toad. Wait, let's try to find it. Maybe it's in the pool. Yes, it's in the pool. Yeah. It's in the pool. Guys, it's right there. If you see the pool right there, it's on the rock.
Look.
Yeah, this is the Egyptian fruit bat. There are so many of them in that corner.
1, 2, 3.
They're pressing around for space.
5. It's like Google.
Look at all of them. They're just staying in that corner.
It's pussy.
So come different color black.
That brings me.
Guys, look. I have the bird food. I have the parrot food. Now the birds are going to come to me.
Hey, I can give you this guy here. He won't bite you. He just uses beak to balance. Oh, vulture.
Babies. Guys, look, I can do something. So guys, look what just happened. Guess what happened just happened. Guess what? That guy peed on. Huh? That guy peed on. That guy peed on? Yeah. It has to be me. I just didn't throw it. I didn't throw it.
What are you looking at me for? You got wings. Go get it. The closer you stand to the wall there, the more likely you are to get any.
Guys, look. A parrot is according to the parrot. Shashan, look at this. Shashan. 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 Hi. Shashan. Look. Shashan, look. Look. I'm holding him. No, baby. No, baby.
Look at you guys each up here.
Why is she? Stop peeing on me. Oh my gosh, finally came off. Sure. Stop peeing.
Where's your sister? Maybe don't chase the bird. Huh? She did. Maybe.
Guys, look at the blue jay.
Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you in the next one.